Welcome to episode 152 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be showing you a diminished scale, 2-octave diminished scale in depth, and showing you a few ways you can use the diminished scale. So first, the scale itself, and I'll be playing it in A. And down again. Like that. Okay? So it's a very complex scale, and it doesn't sound quite like any other scale. It's very specialized, and the main way that you'll see it used is over a diminished chord. Here's a diminished chord, like that. And one song that uses a diminished chord is Til There Was You. It's from the musical The Music Man. You may have heard the Beatles version of it. But the song goes, first is a G major 7, and the second chord is an A sharp diminished chord. And so over the first chord you would play something in G. Over the second chord you could play this diminished scale. Then when you get to A minor, the third chord, then you would resolve it to A, like that. So G, A, with the diminished scale in the middle. And it's a great exercise because it's symmetric. It's the same notes on every, same finger pattern on every string. And it's a real quick way to get around. And let me show you the 2-octave version again. And going down. You can also play it like this, where you're skipping over some of the notes and doing an arpeggio, where it's all minor thirds, because the scale, this chord itself is based on minor thirds, and the scale is also based on minor thirds. So you can go up all the way like this. You're just going minor third, minor third, minor third, minor third, and on so on and so forth. And that's the diminished scale, like that. And once again, down. Like that, all in minor thirds. Again, the main reason you'll see this used is over diminished chords. You'll also see it used in jazz when they play very complex seventh chords, like a flat 9 chord, things like this, and other variations on that kind of thing. But getting the scale under your fingers, and even just as a picking exercise for both right and left hand, is a good exercise to know. So I hope it's useful to you. Let me know any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.